Nick, he's coming right at you, eh?
Officer, should we tell him we'll get him on his way back? We'll follow him on his way back.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay, get in there, man, get in there.
Do we go?
Yes, go, 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 go! Yeah! Go! Okay, Nick, it's holding, it's holding. There's stuff here on the left side, south side is kind of encroaching now a little bit. Bias to the north slightly. That's it, you're doing great, you're doing great, you're doing great. Yep, we're in, man, we're in. It's close, it's close, it's holding. Our channel's holding. Careful for the little bits flying across. Nick, there's a bunch of floating bits. You can slow down a little here. Be careful. Slow down.
Can you go faster?
Yeah, baby! Yeah! Woo! Open water! Okay, Nick, I need you to go. The open water is everywhere. We can easily get south from here. It is not a problem. We have to go around this island. We have to take this island to our port. There is a thin ridge of ice to get through, but it is there are leads. It shouldn't be a problem. I would aim at a point 300 meters to the north of the island.